One of you asked, how do you claim back a Facebook page that is linked to an account that has been hacked in this tutorial? I'll guide you through the process of recovering a hacked Facebook page, including a method often recommended by YouTubers, and whether it's advisable to use it. Follow each step carefully to ensure success. Firstly, open your browser and navigate to the Facebook Help Center. Under Help Center, select Pages, then, on the top right corner, if using a mobile browser, click on the three-dash menu and select Policies and Reporting. Under that, choose Intellectual Property and then learn more about reporting copyright violations. Next, select Fill out this form to access the copyright report form. Copyright is a legal right that protects original work of authorship. You'll be asked to describe your relationship to the rights owner, which in this case would be the Facebook page. However, using this method may lead to page termination. Instead, head back to the Facebook Help Center and search for Hacked Facebook Page. Select the relevant option. I think my Facebook page was hacked or taken over by someone else. Facebook states that pages may be removed for infringing intellectual property rights. To recover your hacked Facebook page, you'll need to recover your personal account or that of one of the admins. Stay tuned for an updated video where I'll delve deeper into this process. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out other videos for more helpful content.